Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PayPal app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then all you, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So then you just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list here. Indeed, you're looking for like here PayPal app, or just click on search. Then here add PayPal app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.